guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to What's Up with Wigs. Today I'm going to show you a very short tutorial on how I create what I call my messy chopstick bun. And I love it. I wear it all the time. This is my Zara wig by Jon Renau in shaded Praline. I'll put all the information about what exactly I used, what wig this is, and everything in the description bar below, so you'll be able to see everything that I used. And this is just a very quick video just to kind of give you an idea how this wig, if you know Zara, it's a very long wig. I would never wear this wig down and long like this, but it's perfect for updos. And I'm going to be doing a lot of styling tutorials on this What's Up with Wigs series, and this wig is perfect for that. I left a little bit of hair hanging down on the front. That's just my preference. You certainly don't have to do that. You could use a little styling spray and slick it back if you'd like, but that's just the way I like to wear it. Let me show you the back. Super cute, super easy. So let me show you how I make my messy chopstick bun. Begin by putting your wig in a low ponytail and spraying the ponytail and the wig with water to prevent flyaways. Next, begin twisting your ponytail all the way to the end and wrap the ponytail around the ponytail holder, securing any loose ends. Secure the wrapped hair with as many bobby pins as needed. After securing the hair, insert chopsticks or hair sticks for a finished look. Okay, that's as easy as it gets. I think that is a 5-minute easy way to throw up a long wig and have a bun or a ponytail, or there's going to be lots of things I'm going to do with this wig that I'm going to show you going forward. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram at Crazy Wig Lady, where I have Wig to Toe Wednesday. Also, I have a Facebook page, Crazy Wig Lady, so if you join me there, that'd be great. I have lots of content on all of those platforms that I don't always have here on YouTube. So I look forward to seeing you on Instagram and on my Facebook page. Again, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time, and don't forget, we're all in this together.